Hey y'all. Happy, 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 happy. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Happy Tuesday. So today is a good day. Always a good day. Today is a better day. Yes, y'all. She is in her chair. Y'all like it? I like my chair. So anyway, guys, first we're gonna just chat a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in the kitchen because I gotta start making my soup. So anyway, to recap or piggyback on hold on, y'all. Let me turn it down a little bit. I just wanted to give y'all a little intro. Y'all like that? We'll let it play a little bit in the background. It'll go off. So anyway, long story short, I actually okay, long story short, yesterday. So yesterday ended up being a good day. I didn't get a chance to visit my mom that I wanted to because she said she had to go do some stuff. And I think I don't know, y'all. When she does that, it kind of hurts my feelings because I really do want to spend time with her and see her. And then when she throws me off like that, or like kind of like I feel like some people would say dissing me, it kind of hurts my feelings. But I said, okay, I'll be over there another day this week because I did everything I had to do. So yesterday was a blessing because I dropped off my oils. The place where I was going to drop off my oil to get it filled, next door to it is a shoe place, y'all. I was able to take my boots to a black-owned business. I knew it was black-owned, but I haven't been there. Like, it's been like over 20 years or something that I even stepped a foot in that place. So I didn't know like who it was ran by. So long story short, I told you my mom said if I took it to where she lived, there were some Italian people that were it was gonna be like $10.99 a piece. That's what she said, but I don't know because I never went in there. So what I did was I went in there. It's gonna cost me $30, but that's okay. I had $15, I think, in cash on me. I gave him that, and so I owe him $15. And while I was standing there, y'all, before I said anything, he was showing me the quality of the heel, some thick stuff, and then he showed me like shoes, alligator shoes that he actually makes on his own. And I was just like, wow. So he gave me cards to pass out. So I would give some of those to my family. Yeah, I'm just looking at the television for a minute. So anyway, I was glad because I was able to support black-owned business. I couldn't get my oil filled because he said he didn't have the black woman, and he tried to offer me something free. I said no. I'll just wait when I pick up the boots. I'll get my oil. So yeah, $30. I just didn't care because I'm at the point now where we all should support one another. Just like y'all should support your girl because she make homemade products from her own kitchen. Okay, I already told y'all that. I already told y'all I sell that. So if y'all want this glowing skin that all of y'all think she wear makeup, no ma'am, she wear no makeup. You can ask anybody who know me. I've never been a makeup person. Wore makeup on my wedding. I just don't do makeup. I just don't. I don't think I need makeup. I use natural things and I eat healthy. So that's why I get the skin. So y'all, if y'all interested, go ahead and like hit me up on I not on IG, or you can email me simplynaturalblack@gmail.com. Okay, if you want something. So yeah, guys. So today's video, I just wanted to give y'all a recap on that, and then the next thing, tomorrow's video, I'm gonna do bathroom tour. I already put together some stuff that was missing in there that I got together, and yeah, y'all gonna get a tour. So yeah, and then two, y'all see I moved my reindeer. I just can't. It was too much stuff on that dining room table, y'all. I can't do it. I don't like clutter. It'll drive me nuts, nuts, nuts. So let me just see what else do I have to enlighten y'all on. I think that's it. The bathroom tour tomorrow. And go over and watch my video on Simply Black Vegan because I did do a video. I did a video and I put it up, and it's a long one. So for all of y'all that like long videos, y'all got it. I think it's like 20 minutes. So check me out on Simply Black Vegan. And when you go over there, guys, subscribe to the channel. Don't be afraid to subscribe. It's free. It's free. Okay, not even a penny. It's free. So I'm trying to think what else. Told you about mom. I didn't get to spend time with her. I told you about the boots. I told you about the oils. I'm trying to think of something else. I'm not sure. But we're going to go into the kitchen because I need to get busy on my soup. Are y'all dark? I don't want, oh wow, we too bright now. I'm already bright enough, so is that good, y'all? Is that good? Did y'all like my intro? She got moves, y'all. She can move. She can move like a snake. She can move like a snake. Let me stop. Let me stop. Because I got some weirdos on this channel that keep posting crazy stuff. I don't know what that's all about, but we're not paying them no mind. I'm going to love you too, okay? Because you crazy. I'm just going to love you anyway, all right? So, yeah, guys, y'all had footage of the new chair. From the new chair, guys. From the new chair. Let's go in the kitchen. Because, guys, I've been looking for soup, like homemade soup. Not homemade soup, but canned soup that don't have a lot of ingredients. Can't find it. Can't find it. So I said, Sonia, you always make your own soups. You were always making your own soups. What's stopping you now? Nothing. So, guys, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to turn y'all around. And I'm going to show y'all what it is. Let me see if I can show y'all. So, I got my pinto beans soaking. My black beans are soaking. These are lentils. This is purple onion and garlic. So, I'm just going to show y'all in this video, since y'all want to do some cook with me, y'all be wanting me to show y'all stuff in the on the regular channel. I'm gonna sign up for your request. I'm gonna do your request. And I moved my do I need to turn on some light for y'all? Let's see something. Hold on. Let's see. We can turn on a little something. Okay. But I don't want the video to be super, super bright. And y'all can see the living space too. Okay, so I did move my cutting boards here. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks better. I don't like being like everybody else, y'all. I do not like doing what everybody else do. I think this looks nice here. I just think it does. So today's board, I'm gonna use this one. I got this for my wedding. And guys, y'all can tell, and this is artisan. And I done used it up like really good. So on this thing here, first we're gonna get our pot out. I'm gonna get out the pot because I'm gonna fill it up with water. And yeah, so guys, if you don't know how to make homemade soup, you're gonna learn a little bit today. You ain't gonna see all of it today, but I'm gonna bring y'all along for some of it. So I got my pot here because I'm gonna make that really full. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my good water here. This is sourced. I get it from the park. I fill it up at the park, but this is some really good water. Really good filtered water. So, we're going to pour all that in there. And I can fill it. Oh, that's what I almost forgot too. I did not walk yesterday. Guys, I got dressed and everything. It was just so cold. I don't know what y'all's weather been, but here, it's been like 30 degrees or something. That's super cold to me. Don't get me wrong. I got good days and I got bad days where I can't walk in that weather. But yesterday was not one of them. And I think it was like 4:15 when I got there. So probably in like 25 minutes, it was going to get dark. And I didn't want to chance it. So I was like, no. So, yeah. Okay. So we got the water in the pot. And then now we're going to use some vegetable broth. I'm going to get a little bit of grapeseed oil. I'm going to use, this is going to be really hot soup, y'all. Really hot soup. Because I'm going to give some of this to a family member that doesn't really feel too well. And we're going to use cayenne pepper. We got curry. And we got onion powder. So guys, check out the other channel for how this is going to look. Because I'm not going to be able to post this until later. So I just wanted to get my... Why does this look like... I was about to say, because it was open. I was about to say, wait a minute. Y'all, when I turned this, it was cracked. But I had to remember when I turned it, it just made that noise. So it's not it hasn't been tampered or nobody been in it. So guys, yeah, you're going to pour all your, not all of it, but I'm going to pour enough vegetable broth. I want to have a lot of soup left. After I have to give it. So I'm going to turn this on. Let's see. Turn this on because these beans, by me soaking the beans, they have to cook. They cook less. It's less time to be cooking them. So hopefully in about an hour and a half, they'll be done. I'm going to turn it on low. And then putting the grapeseed oil too helps it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour out the water. And then we're going to get to chopping. I don't want this video to be so long. We already on 10 minutes. All right, guys. I got the beans already in the pot. So that's done. Put this broth up. I'm trying to think where can I put it. I'll put it down here. No, I'll put it right here for now. I always try to put things where I think they might go together or belong. So the beans are in there, guys. I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to show y'all what all I'm using. I'm using celery, cilantro. I'm not going to put this in the beans until they have cooked a little bit. But I just wanted to show y'all what I'm going to be putting in the beans. I mean, in the soup. Yeah, but like I was saying, I don't like buying soup in the can. And they got all those, I'm just dropping everything on the floor. Y'all already know I'm going to rest it off. And put it in the pot. But yeah, I don't like buying soups. It's just too many ingredients. You could just make your own, y'all. All you need is, look at all I'm using. Cilantro, celery, carrots, potatoes, lentils. Lentils is going to go after I season this. And garlic and purple onion. Like I said, red pepper, garlic. Even though I got the garlic, I still wanted some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, because I wanted this to be hot. We can just, if you got a cold or you sick, it's going to bust all of that out. I'm telling y'all. Because I used to buy the fire roasted, and it's the Creole seasoning. I used to buy the fire roasted Annie's. That's the best one. Fire roasted Annie's soup. But it costs like $3. This ain't costing me no $3. I already have some of this stuff. And you guys know, if you watch my haul, let me rinse this off. If you watch my haul, watch the my haul the other day on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Go over there and subscribe, y'all, okay? Then this is stuff that I got from there. And I only spent, for the whole haul, $30-something. So I'm coming out on top, making my own soup. So yeah, guys, check me out on the other channel. I just wanted to show you guys the soup that I'm going to be making. Like I said, the beans are already in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I enjoyed y'all coming along and with my goofy, weird, quirky, simple, minimalist life chat. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, share this video, and what else? What else? Oh, share the video and go over and check out Simply Black Vegan. And go check out my daughter's channel, which is Exotic Nar. Okay, like really, I don't like that. I don't. But she's grown. She could do whatever she wants, but I don't like it. Okay. So guys, I'll see y'all in another video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I know it was short, but I'm here and I'm doing what I do every day, and that is coming to say hi to y'all, show y'all what's going on in my world, telling y'all what's going on in my world, and showing y'all new things. And learn how to live simple. Learn how to live simple. So tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm trying to think, what do I have planned for tomorrow? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And it feels good. And I'm loving it and I'm accepting it. Okay? And I want y'all to accept it too. If you're just sitting at home, working from home, ain't got nothing to do, enjoy it, because it's the best feeling in the world, okay? Because guess what? If we wasn't in this pandemic, we wouldn't have this extra time. So y'all need to look at it. Don't take it all as bad. We have lost people, and that is really, really sad, and y'all need to be praying every day, all the time anyway, not just for the pandemic when it just started. Pray every day. Every day is never promised. Tomorrow is not promised. Y'all might not see me tomorrow, but just pray for people who have lost people and that are not here anymore because of what's going on. But what I was trying to say is we should pray every day and live every day like it's the last day. Try to do something good all the time for somebody every single day. Like I said, I will make that soup. That soup ain't just for here. That soup is going to be sent to people in my family, on my other side of the family. Yeah. And it's just going to take gas and all that stuff, but I don't worry about that because he make a way out of no way. I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Love y'all.